Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I am very excited to share with you a dog food I found that my dog enjoys eating and that I feel good about giving her. I feel that it's important to give my dog the healthiest, most nutritious food I can, while at the same time supporting a company that cares about animal welfare and also cares about the environment. And so that's why this has been a win-win for me. This is a grain-free dry dog food that is made from humanely raised meat and without preservatives. With Open Farm, not only do I know what is in my dog's food, but I can also find out where it came from. I feel comfortable giving it to her because I know that she's getting the nutritious food that she needs to be healthy, and I'm happy to support a company that cares so deeply about the environment and about animal welfare. This is a dog food that my dog is thrilled to eat. She follows me around. She's right there when I open the bag. And Honey is a finicky eater. So I was very happy, not only because this food has so much nutrition in it, but because she's happy to eat it. There's nothing worse than getting a dog food and your dog refuses to eat it. And so far, she has eaten every single piece of this every single time I put it in her bowl. So that is a 5-star review from me because of the way they make their food and where it's from, and definitely a 5-star review from my dog Honey because she eats up every morsel. And that is my point of view.